What's up everybody? In this quick video, I'm going to explain you what's a ERC 404 and the combination, where it actually came from or how it was designed. First, let's take a look at ERC 20 versus ERC 721. So ERC 20, this was the very first protocol on Ethereum. This is basically fungible tokens, USDT, USDC, Chainlink, Uniswap, and everything else is built on Ethereum. So basically every cryptocurrency. And then ERC 721, it's a NFTs, non-fungible tokens, such as Bored Ape Yacht Club, Azuki, Pudgy, and CryptoKitties. And what ERC 404 did, they actually combined both of those protocols together. So what's actually ERC 404? ERC 404 creatively mixed elements from ERC 20 and ERC 721 standard, which are traditionally not designed to interact. Its ERC 721 approach divides from the norm by relying on token mints and burns for fractional transfers. So in this case, what they did, they took ERC 721, the actual whole NFT, and they fractionalized it into sort of ERC 20. So they made fractional NFTs. So let's say, for example, you own Pudgy Penguin, whole NFT, and you need a little bit liquidity, but you don't want to get rid of the entire thing. You still want to be part of the community. What you can do, you can fractionalize and sell part of it to somebody else who actually cannot afford or doesn't want to invest that much into community, but still want to be part of it, and they just want to have part of NFT. So this is where ERC 404 comes in. Basically can fractionalize your NFT, and this will bring more liquidity into NFT space. And then let me show you one of the very first projects that were made on ERC 404. So the first project on ERC 404, it was Pandora, and you can go to their website, take a look at and see what is this project is about. And then the second project, and this one is actually on BNB chain, so this one called BEP 404, and this one is just a community driven meme coin experiment on Binance Smart Chain. And this is it. That's how ERC 404 works. You can fractionalize your NFT.